Hi, this is Matt Norman with MarineMax Clearwater. Thank you for clicking on this brand new Sea Ray 210 SPX in a Sea Ray blue hull side with a black bottom and a black powder-coated water sports tower on a trailer with folding swing tongue. Real sleek look, aggressive styling with stone gray upholstery. Sea deck, as you'll see throughout on this, and we have upgraded horsepower to the Mercury 200. This is going to have power assist steering and fly-by-wire throttle control, so real sporty feel, super smooth. You can see as Sea Rays really move forward with the outboard line, you got plenty of room on the swim platform to work around the engine and the ability to get in shallower and be more maneuverable, fuel efficient, just less maintenance all around across the board. Improvements on the outboard. Moving through a nice walkway that does close to keep little ones inside. You got hatches beneath. You have a monster dry storage locker for bulky items that's separated out. And then a backrest for lounging. L-shaped seating. Cup holders and grab handles throughout. This boat's got upgraded audio package. I'll get a close-up of the upgraded Simrad electronics and this water sports tower. It does lower. The bimini obviously collapses and you get great coverage here. If you want to tow skiing, wakeboarding, tubing, it's a great spot to attach that tow rope. Sea Ray integrates a removable cooler, a built-in cooler, and how about this sea deck? This is snap-in sea deck in the cockpit here, so it can remove for thorough cleaning or replacement for a piece. Got double bucket seats here, dual captain's chairs. The bolsters pop down and they both swivel, so when it's time to anchor out and entertain, you can swivel both. Moving to a close-up look at the dash here, we got a 7-inch Simrad touchscreen with all of your engine gauges and data integrated into that Simrad GPS. So your chart, your depth sounder, all your engine data in one nice clean look on that dash. Tilt helm, Fusion audio control, got your binnacle along with cup holder and accessory charge points, all conveniently accessed by the operator. Passenger side seat, real nice styling on the upholstery. Grab handle, cup holder, tunes right here. Quick little glove compartment. Everybody's got a phone or wallet. It's a great spot for that. Pretty massive storage locker on the port side helm. You got a ski locker below me right here. Runs almost the entire length of the forward boat here. And then moving forward to spacious bow seating. And then the filler cushion removes to make great entry if you're beaching the boat or boarding from the bow at a dock. You got storage under both of these guys. Great spot for fenders or dock lines. Sea Ray holds the beam further forward than most in its size, so this 21 really feels like a larger boat. It's going to compare to everybody else's 22s and 23s. And this will conclude our little close-up walkthrough on this boat that is just new arrival here at MarineMax Clearwater. Again, this is Matt Norman. Feel free to contact me on this boat or any of our boats in our 50,000 square foot air conditioned showroom here off of US 19 in Clearwater. Thanks for taking a look at this boat, and we will see you on the water.